Hello. Please listen to the relaxing sounds of rain in the background because this weather is less than beautiful. So today I'm getting together with my friends and we're going bowling. That was not the original plan. Originally, we do this thing where we start out with one person in the group and they plan a hangout and then they popcorn to someone else and then they plan the next hangout and everyone has to do it. I mean, you don't have to come, but there's no changing the plans. So originally it was really beautiful today and I voted, it was my day and I picked, not that any of us can skateboard, but I picked let's like try out skateboarding and like do fun outdoor activities. And then it started downpouring. So we had to pivot and we're going bowling. So currently I'm on the move. I'm going to Merciless house. So that's all I know for right now. Either this vlog is going to be us bowling and getting lunch, or that might not be enough and I'll roll it into tomorrow because I'm going to do some other stuff. I'll let you know when I get Mersla. All right, we got here. It is 11:13. Mersla is notoriously late, so I'm curious to see how many minutes it takes her to come outside now. I've also put on a floral shirt and I'm betting my friends are gonna yell at me because we all agreed that it was gonna be a hoodie day, and I did bring a hoodie. I just wanted to throw on something nice to feel better in this crummy weather. So, see how long Mersla takes, and do I get yelled at for my outfit? We'll see. Got to Merciless. I was telling them that you are notoriously late.
Oh yeah, I'm always late, sorry.
Sit there, but she only took 4 minutes to come out.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
So, we are late, but on time. We made it to bowling.
You're always on my For You page.
Am I?
You are always
That's
on my
so
For
cute.
You too. You too.
Alright guys, I'm putting, who do you think is gonna win today?
Oh my god, why do I think like this? I think Nikki's gonna win, to be honest. I think Mersla or Nikki.
Zaina, who's gonna win?
Okay. Probably you, because I really don't care about winning.
I care about winning.
Oh, I'm like the down.
Bumpers down.
Oh, I'm definitely winning now, guys.
We're putting him down.
I'll still win. The bumper.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we're making.
Okay, halfway through the game.
I just don't want to
I
win.
am in the lead. Sarah was doing really well.
Yeah, we start off strong, and there's still time.
Yeah. Nina, how
Trying
you?
to get the fastest speed.
Okay, what's your highest?
1680.
And Tina's just vibing. And Zaina's been holding at like zeros for a while.
Any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where.
Alright, last round.
Excuse me, my wrist really hurts, so I can't do that.
Zaina is probably one of the most dramatic humans I've ever met.
And my fingers hurt.
Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright?
Alright, Hina, any words for your final throw?
May not be good.
Anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got.
Final score. Ursula 76, Nikki 124.
did that or did you get?
Every
Wait,
one.
who won?
Scared. My hands smell like the doctor's office, is what I was saying. We're going to Capital Craft, and I've been there twice, and
it's
everybody's
7 minutes away.
Yes, 7 minutes away. In what direction, I do not know. But she said it's amazing.
We're gonna have to come back this way.
The 2 times she's went.
So it better be.
Zayna.
Sarah, you have hyped this place up.
I just said I've been there.
They have mahi-mahi tacos and tuna salad.
So you know more than me.
It just tells you it says the volume on.
So what's your argument here?
I'm saying that it's
They're the
easier.
same.
The interface is easier. Google Maps
same.
messes me up.
It has a black box with a green box.
I hate the green box.
Why do you hate the green box? Lively debates over here. Alright, we got our food. We'll report back if it's as great as Sarah said. Try your salad, Ursula. Oh, you did. Is it good? It's fantastic. Good fries? Good. Okay. Good fries. You might be safe, Sarah. Nina, did you love it?
I loved it. 10 out of 10.
Oh, Sarah?
No, mine was kind of like a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10?
It's usually 10.
Mine was like a 7 or 8. It was good.
Like a 6.
My pants are on the inside.
I give mine like a 6. It was a lot of cheese.
I think the wraps are not good though.
Yeah. All right, oh yes, come on, Ursula. We finished our popcorn day. We did bowling and lunch. Yes. Which was a success. Sorry. No, you're good. And now I've popcorned Zayna. So let's see what she does.
Won't be for a while.
Yeah. It'll be like 2 months from now, but I'll keep you guys posted. And then we'll see each other Friday.
Oh yeah, for my birthday.
Yay! So you'll probably get a video of that too.
Oh my gosh, that
I?
would be so funny, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. All right, that's it. Bye, guys.
Bye!
All right, happy Sunday. So admittedly, I looked through the footage from yesterday and I was like, it could use a little bit more. So I am rolling it into Sunday. I'm having to go meet some of my friends to go kayaking. Well, it's 3 of us, so I think that's canoeing. We'll see. But I asked them and they said, yes, I can record. So you guys will get some footage of that. Then I think we're going to lunch afterwards. All right, so I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, don't want to talk too loud because it's peaceful here. But we made it to the canal. I did. They're late. Calling them out on it. Yeah, the kayaks are over there. So once they get here, we'll get some kayaks and go. But it's really peaceful and pretty. Any words for the vlog?
Yeah, we've been waiting all our lives to be on Nikki's vlog, and today the day has finally come. So, yeah, very excited.
Thank you so much, guys. Classic Sherry, half a mile behind us. I could truly just nap out here. There's really not many people but us. Sherry and Hero are up ahead. But I love this. The weather's so pretty and it's so calm. I could just be napping. All right, one last look at the canal. We finished our kayaking and now we're heading to lunch. And it's a little breezy this morning, but it got really beautiful out. So I have a little bit of a walk, get back to my car, and then luckily I brought a change of clothes because you can't tell, I'm damp. All right, I will get back to you guys when we're at lunch. Okay, guys. Story quickly, only because now I know where I'm going. But I got back in my car after kayaking to meet them at a restaurant, and I realized I had no service and I had no clue where to go. So that was fun. I had to basically assume that if I just followed the canal, I'd eventually hit a main road. And I looked at a map to generally know, like, okay, this is kind of the town it's near. So I'm pretty proud of myself that I could even get this far. And then finally, like 3-4 minutes out from the restaurant, I got service and confirmed that I was going in the right direction. But this is why it's important to learn the roads and the general location of things, because stuff like this can happen. Oh my god, cows, what a beautiful farm. But yeah, that was an adventure, and I'm proud that I could have gotten myself even this far. Okay, now there's a truck on my butt, even though it's a 35-mile-per-hour spot. So I'm gonna go, and I should be there in like 2 minutes, so cross your fingers, nothing else happens. Kira, did you love kayaking?
It was the most amazing thing.
People are gonna think we all hate each other and no one wanted to kayak. Sherry, any thoughts?
It was intriguing. I don't know. Little tiring, got a little hungry. We got soaked.
So,
Wet pants.
yeah. Thank you guys. Good thoughts, good thoughts. My plate. Okay. We're trying blue cheese, guys. I do not like blue cheese.
Would you like to comment?
It's got a nice moldy funkiness to it.
Got our food. I got some chicken
I don't want to be
tendies.
charged for it, but it's fine.
If Nikki didn't drop her knife, then I wouldn't have dropped the water and Hero wouldn't have dropped her
it
fork.
started with me.
It was a domino effect.
No, I dropped
That's all
my
I know.
fork first.
Kira dropped her fork.
I was the last one.
I dropped
was the
my
last
knife.
domino.
Sherry reached for a fry and dropped his water. My knee is wet.
But I have my boat shoes, so my feet aren't soaked.
All right, I was looking at all the footage and I realized I didn't close out the video. So we ended up getting lunch and the rest of our food was really good. So I call that a successful day and a successful weekend. I did a lot, and honestly, it's like 4 o'clock now on Sunday, and I'm probably going to just sit around and watch TV and relax the rest of the weekend. But thanks for coming along for a weekend in my life, and I hope you enjoyed the video.